Alright, here we are back at Boat Works. They're gonna put me up on land on the stands tomorrow morning.
Nice and straight, Mike. You're looking good.
Alright, here she is. What happened was I went down to another marina that was closer to the mouth of the Clinton River where I keep the boat, and as the people that bought my 39 were leaving, I was hoping to get some shots of it going down the river from the second floor of the other marina. While I was there watching my 39 leave, I looked over and saw this. So I asked my buddy's dad that owns the marina what's going on with this thing, and he said it's mine if I want it. So I took it, and here's why it was mine if I wanted it. So far I know I need transmissions, the cutlass, the rudder, and the props. I have since purchased props, and they are not new, but they're in good shape. There was giant holes in the transom that I've been patching from underwater lights from the previous owner. The previous owner did come to the boat and take quite a lot of stuff off of it once he found out that he wasn't going to be fixing the boat. He came back and took his stereo and GPS and refrigerator, underwater lights, you name it, he took it all. So I had to go around and patch a bunch of holes that he had in the boat, and he had some on the sides too over here that I had to patch. There's a few holes in the bottom of the boat, but that's why it's here at Doc's Fiberglass. You can see I had to crudely patch that. There's some minor damage other places in the hull, but nothing as serious as the big one I had to patch there. So yeah, I pulled the props off today, and I've just been picking away at it. So the goal now is to get the engines and transmissions pulled out and get them on a pallet before winter time. There was a giant neon sign on the back of the boat with the boat's name on it, and he took that as well. So the guys here at Doc's are going to patch all that and re-gel this for me. So like I said previously, we've spent the last week or so cleaning. This was filthy. It was full of spider webs, dirt, you name it, food waste. It was just really nasty. But after a week of cleaning, we finally got things into like a livable condition here. And you can see there's all the electronics have been stripped out. They like crudely cut some stuff out. Down there was a panel with a speaker, I'm guessing. There's thousands of feet of wire that I've already removed. I mean, just so much wiring. I've never seen so much wiring. So that's what I've been doing. Cleaning and stripping out wires that don't do anything anymore. I discovered today that the shower bilge hasn't worked in a while, and that was full of water. So we removed the carpet, sucked up all the water, and now we're letting it dry out down there. That'll be a project for this winter. The previous owner caulked the heck out of everything on the deck, but you can see there was evidence of it, the windows leaking, and there was evidence of the bow stanchions leaking. So we've been basically just scrubbing with mildew stain remover from West Marine and bleach spray, and we've got a lot of this to come back and get better. Got a ways to go. We haven't gone much past here, so we still have all this to take care of, and I'm actually going to rebed pretty much everything on the boat. All the deck hardware is going to get rebedded properly. You can see they had the upholstery done, which is cool, but it's blue and silver and gray. And the carpet was green and the canvas was green, so it didn't really make a lot of sense. I'm not doing the crazy expensive floor that we did in the last boat. I think we're just going to do the regular engineered vinyl flooring that's water safe and put that down. You can see the missing refrigerator. I've already been pricing those out. I'm going to go with the isotherm. I think the Cruise 130. So this is what we're at. Oh, I added some overhead lighting up there. This boat has no overhead lighting. It's all indirect lighting, those little like reading lamps. So that's why I had to go through and remedy that situation. So I've been putting in new fixtures. You can see there's 4 new fixtures back there. They're the West Marine brand ones. These are all West. And I'll show you conveniently. West Marine is not just in walking distance, but I could throw a baseball at it. That's West Marine.